everyone! Welcome back to Technic Learning. In this video, I'll show you how your small business can grow with TikTok. Let's get started. The upswing is here. A new wave of entrepreneurship is sweeping through the marketplace and propelling brands onward and upward. As the COVID era begins to recede and lockdowns are eased, small businesses are on the rise. For months, the pandemic kept people at home with plenty of time in their hands and new business ideas brewing in their heads. Now they are being unleashed. Small businesses are booming on TikTok. From branding and time management to social media tips, small business conversations are already happening on TikTok. All you need to do is join in. There's a TikTok community already waiting for you. Whether you want to reach new customers, drive product sales, or simply learn how to grow, the impressive view counts on these hashtags reveal how small business conversations are thriving on the platform. Hashtag small business has 33.8 billion views. Hashtag entrepreneur has 12.8 billion views. Hashtag small business check has 10.2 billion views. Hashtag side hustle has 6.8 billion views. Hashtag support small business has 3.1 billion views. And hashtag small biz has 2.5 billion views. Small businesses are growing, and so is TikTok. And when the two combine forces, they have the power to drive business results in a big way. Brands, old and new, are turning to TikTok to be discovered and to connect with their communities. Whether you recently launched your company or want to expand an existing brand, TikTok provides innovative marketing opportunities that just doesn't exist anywhere else. And with a slew of free tools and the resources designed specifically for small businesses, TikTok can help brands ride the upswing as far as they want to go. Your brand is the key to connecting with the TikTok community. With more than 75% of US consumers planning to support small businesses as much as possible, is the ideal time for brands to connect with consumers. And TikTok is the perfect place to do so, because its users are already in a shopping mindset. For many TikTok users, the primary reason they come to the platform is to discover new things, like your brand and your products. They're ready to buy and hungry for inspiration. 74% of users say that TikTok inspired them to find out more about a product or brand. 66% of TikTok users say that TikTok helped them to decide what to buy. And 67% of users say that TikTok inspired them to shop even when they aren't planning to do so. The TikTok app on Shopify can supercharge your bottom line. More than 1 million small businesses and vendors use the e-commerce platform Shopify to sell their products online and in person. TikTok's partnership with Shopify allows merchants to set up a TikTok Ads Manager account, identify new customers, and drive sales, all without leaving the Shopify platform. It has seamless implementation, streamlined management, and detailed insights. Next, your brand story is the key to connecting on TikTok. Every brand has a story. What's yours? TikTok is all about inspiring creativity and joy, and its community thrives on authenticity. So you don't need any flashy, polished ads. You just need to be yourself. Telling your brand story is the best way to genuinely connect with consumers, and you can share your mission with a global audience from your TikTok business account. Next, partnering with creators can amplify your message. To really rev up your campaign results, consider collaborating with TikTok creators. The Creator Marketplace gives you access to a diverse pool of content creators, influencers, and storytellers. With so much talent in one place, you can easily find the right fit for your brand, and it will help you with the introduction. Lastly, TikTok is here for you and its user-friendly tools and ad solutions. It wants every small business to be able to harness the power of TikTok to engage with their audience and drive real results. That's why it designed TikTok for business around your needs, with free creative tools and straightforward procedures that are simple to learn and use. As a business owner, you already know that if you wait to begin until you have it all figured out, you'll be waiting a very long time. You just have to jump in and get started. The same is true with TikTok because the massive audience won't wait. They're looking for the new and the next right now. Shopping and buying, and specifically seeking out small businesses to support. It provides everything you need to put to your brand right into their hands, from Shopify partnership and creator marketplace to free tools in Small Business Resource Center. And there you have it, how your small business can grow with TikTok. And before this video ends, say goodbye to traffic woes and start driving quality traffic today. Make any business profitable with lower ad costs, higher conversions from Facebook ads, get leads, buyers, make sales, and outperform every competitor in any niche by using Amplify by Techniforce. It's a cloud-based SaaS, newbie-friendly, and 7-in-1 toolset. It's the ultimate traffic suite. With Page Watcher, Hidden Audience Finder, Behavioral Targeter, Page Targeter, Email List to Audience, Ad Decorator, and Return of Investment Calculator. So, go ahead and try it out. Just go to getamplify.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.